TFNN.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 229, Nasdaq's up 49, S&Ps are up 19.5. Percentage-wise, what we have out here, folks, is that you have the Dow Industrials up 0.9%, S&Ps and the Nasdaq up 0.6%. Gold contract up 220, trading at $12.53 an ounce. We have silver up 11 cents, $16.16 an ounce. Light sweet crude, $74.30 a barrel, big number. Notes and bonds flat. They continue to want higher price. You get the 10-year note flat, 120.05. 30-year bond flat, 144.30. King dollar down 711 ticks, trading at 94.385. The euro is trading at 116.65 to $1 US. The yen is at 110.89 to $1 US. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the dollar, that's where we're going, folks. You get a monster failure out here inside the dollar, and if you're in the metals market, that's exactly what we needed. Bottom line, we got into the high again last night. The high that we're talking about is October 2016, 95.070. Bottom line, this is what the difference is. Now, we've been up at these levels for over a month. It's tested 3 or 4 different times over a month. This is the first time that we've come off of that high with volume on the way down. Bottom line, you get 27,000 contracts out here. We're trading 94.380. That gets you in the lower range. That's saying that the dollar can get down to 92.950 right now. If we go take a look at the continuous contract, what you're going to see in this continuous contract, it's DX1. So, continuous contract out here, been going into this October 2016 high, 4 weeks in a row. 95.070, that's the number. So bottom line, now you're going to see the dollar pull back. If we go over to the gold market, the actual physical gold first, what you're going to see, bottom line, this hasn't been able to catch a bid since April 11th. April 11th, gold's trading 13.75. We get to a low today of 12.46. Bottom line, you don't have a sign of strength inside the metal market. Where you do have a sign of strength, which has been holding in an amazing way in the context of what has happened with gold, is the GDX. The equities themselves, you get another nice sign of strength. We're up today. There she goes. We're up today 40 cents. You've done monster volume. We've done 30 million shares already. So this is pretty cool. We were making lows with 29 million shares, 27 million shares, 20 million shares. Bottom line, you have buyers out here. The way that the GDX trades, we will see a huge amount of volume come in at the close. And if you want to see some of the bigger trades that are out here, and this being the end of the month, it looks to me like you actually have a rotation out of something into these golds, because you can see if I bring Barrick Gold up, ABX, what you're going to see out here, you don't pay attention to the first opening one at 9:30, but when you're going to see these trades, 11:30, 76,000, 11:39, 51,000, 9:55, 40,000, big numbers. In Barrick Gold, you go over to Newmont, you get the exact same type of setup. You get people and you get funds buying it. Newmont, in Newmont's case, this is pretty cool. The only one you don't want to pay attention to is the opening one, 33,000. 936, you get 42,700. 938, 42,700. Now that's going to be the same trader, which is pretty cool. 10 o'clock, 23,000, 13,000, 12,000. Good sized numbers inside that market. Notes and bonds continue to want higher price. Pretty amazing. Bottom line is that the note and bond market out here, you have the 10-year note flat, 120.05. We have a high volume swing at 121.03. That wants to get tested. What we did have out here today, and this is going to be the next battle, no doubt, is going to be Larry Kudlow coming out saying, my hope is that the Fed, under its new management, understands that the more people working in faster economic growth does not cause inflation. Kudlow, a director of the White House National Economic Council, told Fox News this morning, right before the data come out, saying that inflation is pushing the Fed's 2% target. The key there, folks, is that it's going to be wild watching this whole thing shake out, because what you will have, the administration is going to would likely start putting pressure on the Federal Reserve not to raise rates. We'll see where that shakes out. Some of the higher volume equities out here. This is what you have out here today. We have the Bank of America is down 18 cents. You got Wells Fargo up 220. Micron Tech is flat. You got Intel up 79 cents. JP Morgan is up 53. If you go over to the XLF, this is pretty amazing, actually, watching the XLF. The XLF, folks, bottom line, hasn't been able to hold price. You had the banks come out. Bottom line is that they're going to basically up their dividend. They're going to buy back a lot of stock. And guess what? XLF still can't handle it. Bottom line, you got up to $27.07. You're at $26.78. That baby wants lower price. We go to Berkshire Hathaway, which is the largest weighting structure inside the XLF. You're going to see you're up with 2.4 million shares. That's after going down with 6 million. It's just pretty amazing. Now, what's also amazing is this. Let's go over the oil market, because what you're going to see is this. There's huge divergence. And what the divergence is that we have the oil market trading at $74.38. Monster number. Doesn't look like it wants to stop. Wants to go higher. Yet, the XLE can't move. The XLE today up to 84 cents. You get 9 million shares traded. 9 million is going against 19 million. ExxonMobil, Chevron, bottom line, when oil tops out, we'll see where that shakes out. These stocks are in tough shape. It's pretty amazing that oil can be up at these numbers, and ExxonMobil can't even get up to its high of the last 6 months, which is 89.30. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. We have the Dow Industrials up 202, Nasdaq's up 42, S&P's up 16.5. Come right back.